In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use notifications in Confluence. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by alerts, or worried you'll miss an important update, this walkthrough will help you set things up the right way. We'll adjust where your notifications go, what you're notified about, and how to follow key pages and spaces so you only see what truly matters. Start by opening your notification settings. Log into Confluence, then look to the top right and click your profile picture. Choose Settings and then select Notifications. This is your control center for alerts. Everything you change here influences when Confluence contacts you and through which channel, so it's worth taking a moment to look around before you make adjustments. Next, decide how you want to receive notifications. Email is great if you prefer a traditional inbox. Slack works well when your team lives in chat, and Microsoft Teams is similar if your organization uses it daily. Within the notification options, turn on the categories that fit your workflow, like recommended content, direct mentions or comments, and a daily or weekly digest. Think about cadence and urgency here. If you need to know the moment someone tags you, keep mentions enabled. If you'd rather reduce noise, rely on a daily or weekly digest to batch updates so you can review them on your schedule. To make those notifications meaningful, choose what to follow. Open a page or a space you care about, then click Watch in the top right. Watching a single page limits alerts to that document. Watching a whole space keeps you in the loop on everything inside it. The choice depends on how closely you need to track work. By the way, if you're just getting started, I've placed the official Confluence website link at the very top of the description, so you can sign in or learn more straight from the source. Once you're watching the right pages or spaces, you'll automatically get updates whenever changes happen. Before you wrap up, double-check your contact details in your profile. Make sure the email address and any connected messaging accounts are current, so your notifications actually reach you. Outdated information is a common reason alerts go missing. When you're happy with your choices, click Save. Your preferences apply immediately, and you should notice the difference with your next activity. A quick tip to keep your inbox tidy: only watch the pages or spaces you truly need, and adjust over time as projects change. That's it for this setup. If this helped, give it a like, share it with your team, and thanks for watching.